Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the trigger on your Rowenta RH9638 vacuum cleaner. This step-by-step guide will help you through the process, ensuring that you have everything you need to get the job done efficiently. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need 1. A Phillips screwdriver. 2. A flathead screwdriver. 3. A pair of pliers. 4. A microfiber cloth for cleaning. 5. A replacement trigger, which you can find online or at your local hardware store. Now that we have our tools ready, let's start with the first step. Unplug the vacuum cleaner to ensure your safety while working on it. Next, locate the screws on the handle of the vacuum cleaner. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Make sure to keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the handle to expose the internal components. Here, you will see the trigger mechanism. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside with your microfiber cloth. This will help ensure that your new trigger functions smoothly. Now, we can remove the old trigger. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it out gently. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding parts during this process. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any additional screws or clips that may be holding it in place. After the old trigger is removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new trigger with the mechanism and push it into place. You should hear a click when it is securely installed. If you're unsure, refer to the user manual for guidance on proper alignment. Before reassembling, it's a good idea to test the new trigger. Plug in the vacuum and press the trigger to ensure it engages correctly. If it works smoothly, you are ready to reassemble the handle. Now, carefully place the handle back onto the vacuum cleaner. Replace the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could strip the screws. Now, if you don't have the tools or the time to do this repair yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. Our experts provide professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you receive the best advice tailored to your needs. No calls, no travel, just a seamless service. Once the screws are in place, double-check that everything is aligned properly. Take a moment to clean any remaining dust or debris from the exterior of the vacuum. A clean vacuum not only looks better but also performs better. Finally, plug the vacuum back in and give it a test run. Check that the trigger responds as expected and that the vacuum operates normally. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the trigger on your Rowenta RH9638 vacuum cleaner. If you need assistance or would like a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.